What's up, you guys? Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining us for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're already an existing subscriber, thank you so much and welcome. So in today's video, we're going to be doing I'm going to be styling a ponytail extension. Basically, I just got a ponytail extension, so I'm just going to be styling it for you guys. So guys, this is the package. I just got it yesterday. So I got this ponytail extension from AliExpress. Yes, I'm going to leave the description, the link and everything in the description below. So basically it was a synthetic hair. Yeah, so let's get right into unboxing it. So guys, this is how the ponytail, oh my goodness, so guys, this is how the ponytail extension came looking. Like I said to you guys before, it is synthetic, that's why it's like this. It's even rubber. It is rubber, it's not even synthetic. This is rubber here, but it was quite cheap. I think I got it for about 2,000 or 1,000. I don't know, I'll leave the amount on the screen, but it's really nice. I'm going to be styling this hair, so you guys just stay tuned for that, because I'm also going to be styling. I'm going to be showing you guys maybe 3 or 4 different ways you can use to style this ponytail extension. But trust me guys, this thing is nice. It came in other colors too, but I didn't just want to get black. I just wanted to get something that was dark and also very cute. So yes, it's not bad, honestly. It's not bad. So yeah, this is nice. So what's up guys, I am going to be showing you guys 2 quick and easy hairstyles you can do with ponytail extensions. So right now I'm just combing my hair, and I'm going to be applying this oil. It's called Crown Herbal Hair Growth Oil from Forever Hairstyles, and I'm just applying it to my head, and I'm going to massage it to my scalp and comb my hair. Mind you, please, my hair is already relaxed. My hair is not natural. I used to have a natural 4C before, but whoa, I've relaxed the hair. So anyways, I'm just combing my hair, and I'm applying my Echo hair gel to my hair, and I'll brush it out to make it sleek. Yes, we have to make the hair sleep. We have to make it sleek, okay? And that's just what I'm doing to my hair. And I'm going to be using my brush. This is not the hard brush, so this I'm just going to be using the normal brush. My own is not the hard one. I didn't want anything hard on my hair, so that's why I bought the normal one, but it's still very nice and effective. So that's just what I'm going to be doing to make the hair sleep. And then I don't know why I'm using rubber band. Please don't use rubber band on your hair. I don't know why I'm using rubber band on my hair, but please don't use it on your hair, okay? Quick disclaimer, please, I'm not a hairstylist. I'm not a hair expert. I'm just a normal person that I just used to see styles on TikTok and just try to do them, okay? So please, I just wanted to put it out there. I'm just here and I'm putting my Nuella hair wax. And God, why was I struggling with this? It was just so hard to open. God, that was so embarrassing to watch. But anyways, so you guys should enjoy the remaining parts of this video. Yeah, so let me put on a little lip gloss, you know what I'm saying? And this is the hair, guys. This is the hairstyle, and I feel it looks very, very nice on my fine shot. So guys, this is the length. So moving on to the next hair, this is going to be a low bun, and this is me just trying to section my hair. And this is the hair, guys. Guys, we've come to the end of this video. I just did like just two, but along the line I'll learn different hairstyles and also film that video how to style your hair using ponytail extensions. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, subscribe to my channel. I have good, sweet, nice content for you guys. So yes, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
This time around, the more Sapa raised to power Sapa. It's called to Scapa Sapa.